Welcome back to Writing Wednesdays at the University of Stuttgart Sprachenzentrum. Today we're going to be talking about one of the issues that often comes up in academic writing, and that's the incorrect use of coordinating conjunctions to start sentences. Coordinating conjunctions are words that can link two parts of a sentence together, so the dominant and the subordinate clause. Do you have to know all of those different types of grammar terms? No, but you need to know that these are linking words, so they can bridge two parts of a sentence together, but they can't start or end a sentence for you. So there's a big habit now in a lot of writing of starting sentences with but. You cannot start a sentence with but in academic writing. It's too informal and it's frankly a little bit childish. What could you use to substitute but though? If you wanted to say, we've tried many different solutions, but they haven't worked up to this point. Well, you could just make it one sentence, comma, but, and then the exception. Or you could substitute but with however. We have other examples here. And. You can't start a sentence with and. And should always be written in the lowercase. That's how you can remember, no big A, and. But what could you use to substitute and in academic writing? Additionally, you could also have something even more exotic, like furthermore, moreover, to continue a thought. For can sometimes start a sentence, but only as part of a phrase. You can't say, for it was raining, period. In order to bridge a sentence with this, you could say maybe, for those reasons, for that purpose, nor, which is a part of or really, nor and or together, yeah? You could maybe use on the other hand, on the contrary, something to that effect. Yet functions very similarly to but, so you would probably use however. And then you have so. So could be therefore, as a result, or there are a few other options that you could probably use. If you're confused about any of these, we have a whole exercise available that you can get for free on the Sprachenzentrum website, or you can always contact us at the workshop English at sz-Uni-Stuttgart.de to get more tips on these. The best way to remember what the coordinating conjunctions are is this fanboys acronym, F-A-N-B-O-Y-S, for and nor, but or yet so. So I hope that was helpful, and if you need any more help, of course, you can take one of our mini courses or seminars. We're available to you at any time.